everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Tonya, and on my channel I like to do DIYs, repurposed items, and share my home decor decorating ideas with you. Now what's coming up new in 2022 is I'm going to be adding in some lifestyle, and that will consist of inspiration ideas that I like to use in my everyday life, and also what I'm going to be doing new in 2022. Now I did take a little break. You guys noticed that I was missing there at the end of the year, and I just needed to get away, take a break, was having a little bit of anxiety, as I know that probably a lot of us has been having through all of this that's been going on in the world lately. But I definitely am getting back to going in 2022, and I'm going to be adding these new things in, and I'm so excited to share all of them with you. Now, with that being said, I want to talk to you about the giveaway. And once again, thank you so much for helping me get to my 3,000 subscribers. I have passed that now, so I wanted to go ahead and do the giveaway. Now, I've been collecting things all year long for the giveaway, and I'm kind of steering in a little bit different direction with the creating. I'm going to definitely be doing all of the Dollar Tree DIYs, but I'm going to be looking for more substantial items and doing a lot of things with the wood pieces there. And we're going to be pulling in some natural decor. And I definitely want to stick with the farmhouse. I really do love that a lot. And I really like the neutral color tone, so I'm going to be doing a lot with that. So with that being said, I want to show you everything that I've been collecting and that we're going to be adding into the giveaway. Now, first of all, I picked up some of the Valentine's Day things. And if these are backwards and you can't read them, it's because I've got the camera turned where I can actually look into there. And I got one of the Happy Valentine's Day signs for you. And I'm dropping something here. And I got a couple of packs of the little color your own ornaments to put in our basket. And I went ahead and picked up 3 of these hearts because there's so many different things that you can do with these. And then I grabbed a couple of these. I got the heart and the love one, and those are pretty good size. And these are just so fun because you can put the paper behind them or fabric even. And that was pretty much it. Now I may add a couple more things in before the actual date that I do the drawing. And if I do find things along the way, I'll show you those at the end of the videos when I do my DIY videos. Now I wanted to just throw in some of the just plain home decor pieces, and I did get a couple of the hanging shelves that I wanted to put in there. And then I found one of just the signs that they had that's completely plain that you can do whatever you like with. And of course I got one of the round ones also. Now I'm going to move on to some of the things that I found for the actual other seasons. Now I was collecting these, keep in mind, all through last year. I got one of this little gather together, and I'm going to go ahead and put in 3 of the pumpkins. And everyone, I hope that you like that I'm doing the giveaway like this. I thought that it would be so nice for whoever wins this just to get all of these fun little natural wood items that you're going to be able to just do all kinds of different things with throughout 2022. And I have one of our little acorns here, and our little truck with the pumpkins, and then our little thankfully blessed. And I found these little stars, and I wanted to put those in. Those would be really nice to do for Valentine's, or these would be really nice to do for the 4th of July. And then I had just a couple little pieces that was left over for the Halloween. Now I did have quite a bit for the Christmas decor. So here are the 3 sleds that I thought would be really nice to add into our giveaway. And I wanted to do also 3 of our little gingerbread houses. And here's one of our little trucks with the Christmas tree. And one of our wood larger Christmas trees. And here is our Let It Snow sign. And here are 3 of our snowmen. Everyone, that is everything that I have collected so far. And like I said, if I find more items, I'm going to kind of keep it with this natural wood theme. And I may be able to find some of the smaller little items. And I still have a couple of things that I need to go through in my craft room that I may be adding in there. But whatever I find, I will show it at the end of, like I said, my DIY videos coming up this week. Well, everyone, once again, I want to thank you so much for helping me reach the 3,000 subscribers. And what I need everyone to do that would like to be entered in the giveaway is I want you to comment 3 different things that you just love. Like, I love coffee, I love spending time with my family, and I'm kind of doing that because we got Valentine's Day coming up as our next holiday, and I thought it would be nice for us to share, you know, 3 different things that we love, and then we can all read each other's comments and just make it fun. And so make sure that you do that. You list the 3 things in the comments, put a heart in there somewhere also. And then make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and that you give this video a thumbs up. And on that note, I'm going to say goodbye, and I will see you on the next one.